How did you benefit from collaborating with Kay and Carla for Imagination Miscellany?
So I benefited just from the fact that you have to really improvise in some way, especially when your time is limited, and kind of looking at like the themes of the other person's work. So we were trying to find the connections with Carla's poetry and myself playing music. I had to think about the kind of what kind of feeling or emotion I wanted to project with the keyboard. And then also coordinating with Kay, because I know her schedule was like insane, but me as kind of like the in-between, I found like, okay, Carla's stuff really deals with nature. Is there anything from Kay's work as a visual, like as a photographer, that also captures kind of those similar themes? So it actually worked out in the end, and it was cool just to see how another artist's work could relate to your own work. And just for myself, it was really the improvisational part, because often I'm really used to playing stuff that already exists, but when you have to play it on the spot, and even the other artists, like I would ask Carla, does this sound okay? And she was, just really supportive and be like, wow, that actually like sounds pretty good with my poetry. I don't think she had a clear idea of what she wanted as well, but I would come up with that concept and just try to bounce ideas off, but not necessarily have something so concrete. So on the day of the event, it was very, I guess, organic, and just trying to really listen to how she was presenting her poetry as well, to try and, I guess, emulate the atmosphere that the words were carrying.